Today I'll be doing a review of the toy that I got from my cat from AliExpress, and I finally got it after 25 days, and it's a smart electronic toy with tires. As you can see that it runs around in these, and then it runs on the carpet and on wooden floor or marble. It changes its direction once something is in the way, and it's chargeable. It comes with this, and this is actually really flexible, and this feather are pretty cute. I don't know why, I love my cats. And this is stretchable. Yeah, I love my cat's toys. And this one too. So it comes with two sticks. Okay. And then there is this charging cable, and charging time is 2 hours. The toy will be a standby mode after working for 10 minutes, but 5 hours later it will work 10 minutes again. The rest can be done in the same manner in a standby mode. Oh, it looks beautiful. When I saw it, actually I saw it in one of the that I follow, Cat Dad, who usually he's a YouTuber from Korea, and he had the toy for their cats, and I was planning to get it for like a month, and now finally I got the chance because AliExpress was not delivering to my country. So yeah, they're finally doing it. They say press the button once, the light flash twice into floor mode. Press the button secondly, the light flash twice into carpet mode. Alright.
It has like, these little box kinda. It doesn't go in, and if your cat tried to bite it and take it with her, so it won't come off. So yeah, this is nice, but I think I'll have hard time. I don't know. It's pretty simple. Oh my god, I love it.
So I will charge it, and then we'll show you how it works. See you in a bit. Okay, so I'm back, and it's finally charged. Sorry about my cats, they know that it's their toy, so they're not leaving it alone, and I don't think that I can do the review in peace, so sorry about that. And please be off. Stop it, baby. Okay, so I'll turn it on from this switch, and as you can see that he is trying to destroy it. No, baby, no, don't. Okay, so I don't think that they're going to leave me alone. I don't lock them in the room, so yeah. Okay, so if you press it once, then it will turn on, and then it will start running. And it's actually like this. Can you leave it, baby? Can you leave it? Okay. So yeah, this is pretty cool for crazy cats. I have 7 cats, so this is a pretty cool toy. As you can see, it can keep them busy, but ouch. This is actually, I think they can break it too. So this is once. Okay, stop. Okay, I'll give it to you. I'll give you. I have to just remove this feather so that they leave it peacefully. And I'll too before they break it. I'm really sorry about it. Okay, so this is once, and I'm gonna do it twice. This is for the carpet, they said. So I will use something. So I'll use this fabric as a carpet because I don't really have carpet. So yeah, as you can see that it runs on it too. And I don't see a difference. I mean, I see one thing. It twitches a lot, like it's on carpet. And you can buy their sticks of this toy if it's destroyed by by the cats. You can buy it separately from the stores, and he's not letting it go, so yeah, I cannot show you.
Yeah, I got 7 cats, so it's just hard. Okay, so yes. Oh my god. Or you can do the Viera if you have very, very naughty cats. Or you can say playful cats.
So this will be the review of the toy. Hope you like it. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time in another video. Bye.